Is your Cadillac CT5 constantly losing its Apple CarPlay connection while you drive? Data shows that the vast majority of these intermittent drops are actually resolved by simple hardware or software resets. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your connection back to stable. Start by swapping your cable, cleaning the console port, and verifying your iPhone is fully updated. Common culprits include physical port corrosion, outdated Q system firmware, or even background app interference. If hardware is fine, try forgetting the car from your Bluetooth settings and performing a Q system reboot. Try these software steps first, because a shop visit is only necessary if the internal USB module itself is failing. Most owners find success just by swapping the cable, which accounts for the majority of successful DIY repairs. If issues persist, perform a network settings reset on your phone or check with your dealer for Q software patches. Keep a high-quality MFI certified cable and some compressed air handy to keep your ports clear and connections tight. Remember, a single drop might be a fluke, but consistent failures warrant a deeper look at your firmware. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook, and drive safely with your restored connection.